हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की ऑफ फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन क्लास 9th। इस लेक्चर में हम आज 4 क्वेश्चन आंसर कवर करेंगे। वैसे तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर इसमें बनते हैं, लेकिन जो मेन 4 क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आज हम इसमें कवर करेंगे, बाकी हम अगले वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द डिवीज़न ऑफ फ्रेंच सोसाइटी, यानी कि फ्रांस की सोसाइटी का डिवीज़न या क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फ्रेंच सोसाइटी। तो इसका आंसर है ये कि फ्रेंच सोसाइटी वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 estates। आई रिपीट, फ्रेंच सोसाइटी वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 estates: फर्स्ट estate, second estate and third estate. It was our first point. Then the second point is, the first estate included clergy, the second estate included nobility, and the third estate was comprised of common people. The next point is nobility. It included king and members of royal family. The next point is, the third estate included common people. They made 90% of French population. Common people were doctors, teachers, lawyers, middle class, peasantry, workers, etc. People of third estate had to pay all kinds of taxes. So taxes like tithe, taille and other kinds of taxes. Middle class was also included in common people. It had some philosophers like Rousseau. Moreover, serfs were also in common people. Serfs were forced to do वर्क विदाउट गेटिंग एनी पेमेंट। तो ये है पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर। आप इसको सुनते सुनते ही याद कर देंगे, बिल्कुल सिंपल लैंग्वेज में मैंने आपको बताने की कोशिश की है। तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। व्हाट हैपेंड ऑन 14 जुलाई 1789? व्हाट हैपेंड ऑन 14 जुलाई 1789, और इन अदर फॉर्म, why did people of France demolished Bastille Fort? Now listen the answer. There was a state of panic in the Paris. The King Louis XVI sent some troops in Paris. The people of Paris thought the soldiers would kill them, so they started collecting weapons and ammunition to protect themselves. So the people in Paris gathered in the streets and finally they reached Bastille. Bastille was a symbol of power of the king, so the people hated it. Then they killed the officer in charge there. After that, there were only 7 prisoners who were made free. Finally, the people demolished the Bastille Fort. Now question number 3. What were the changes introduced by Napoleon in France? Now the answer is, Napoleon became king of France in 1804 and brought out many changes as follows. Now point number 1. He passed the Act of Protection of Private Property. He passed the Act of Protection of Private Property. Now people could keep, sell and purchase their private property. Number 2 point. He introduced uniform system of weights and measures in the France. He used decimal system also in weighing and measuring. It helped the trade to run smoothly in the France. Point number 3. Initially, the people thought Napoleon would bring freedom for them, but slowly and gradually they started hating him. The next point is Napoleon started attacking different countries in the France. He was a very ambitious king. He wanted to become king of whole Europe. Finally, at the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, he was defeated and killed. The question is over. Now question number 4. What were the reasons of empty treasury in France? फ्रांस में खजाना खाली होने के क्या कारण थे? The answer is Louis XVI became King of France in 1774. He was married to Queen Marie Antoinette and he found an empty treasury for the following reasons. Now point number 1. France had helped 13 colonies of America to get independence from the Britain. It emptied financial resources of France. Now point number 2. The war increased a debt of 1 billion livres on France. The total debt was over 2 billion livres. Point number 3. A heavy interest on this loan was given at the rate of 10%. The next point, the cost of maintaining the court at Versailles is very high. I repeat, the cost of maintaining the court at Versailles was very high. The next point is, the king and his queen Marie Antoinette lived a luxurious life which required a lot of money. Next point, so the king was forced to increase taxes on common people, that is third estate. He had to meet regular expenses like running schools and universities, keeping army, मेंटेनिंग कोर्ट एक्सेट्रा। तो ये आंसर यहीं ख़त्म होता है। अब इसका क्वेश्चन एक और तरीके से आ सकता है इसी आंसर का कि वाई डिड किंग लुइस 16 इंक्रीज टैक्सेस इन फ्रांस। तो इस तरह से भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछा अगर जाएगा तो भी आपको यही आंसर लिखना है। अब बाकी के और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हम अगले वीडियो में करेंगे, तब तक आप ये याद कीजिए।